Ever wondered what truly happens behind the scenes if you skip a Grabpay bill? It's a question many of us probably don't dwell on, especially when the convenience of Grab is at our fingertips, whether it's for a quick ride, a food delivery, or sending money to a friend. Grabpay has become an indispensable part of daily life for millions, streamlining transactions and making our lives a whole lot easier. But what if that seamless experience hits a snag? Specifically, what if you don't pay up? Let's imagine a scenario. You've been using Grabpay for a while, enjoying its perks, perhaps even taking advantage of their pay later option for those times when your wallet's a little light. It feels great, right? Instant gratification, no immediate cash needed. But then, life happens. Maybe you genuinely forgot about a pending payment, or perhaps an unexpected expense threw your budget off balance. What's the immediate fallout? The first thing you'll likely notice is a suspension of your Grabpay services. It's not a dramatic, immediate cutoff, but rather a gradual tightening of the reins. You won't be able to make new transactions, whether it's booking a ride, ordering food, or using any of Grab's integrated services that rely on Grabpay. Think of it like your digital wallet suddenly having a hole in it, nothing goes in and nothing comes out. This can be incredibly inconvenient, especially if you rely on Grab for daily commutes or meal deliveries. Beyond the immediate service suspension, Grab will start to send you reminders. These usually begin as gentle nudges via the app, email, or even SMS, reminding you of your outstanding balance. They're designed to be helpful, giving you a chance to rectify the situation without further escalation. Ignoring these reminders, however, will lead to more insistent communication. If the payment remains unaddressed, Grab can begin to apply late payment fees. These aren't designed to be punitive, but rather to cover the administrative costs associated with recovering the debt and to encourage prompt payment. These fees can accumulate, meaning the amount you owe will gradually increase over time, making it even harder to catch up. It's a snowball effect you definitely want to avoid. The more serious consequence, and one that many might not consider, is the potential impact on your credit score. In many regions, Grab, like other financial service providers, can report your payment history to credit bureaus. A default on your Grabpay account could negatively affect your creditworthiness, making it harder to obtain loans, credit cards, or even certain financial services in the future. This is a long-term repercussion that can have significant implications beyond just your Grab account. It's a stark reminder that even seemingly small digital debts can have real-world financial consequences. Finally, in more extreme and persistent cases of non-payment, Grab may resort to debt collection agencies. This is a last resort and typically occurs after all other attempts to recover the debt have failed. Dealing with a debt collection agency can be a stressful and unpleasant experience, and it's a situation best avoided by addressing any outstanding payments promptly. So, what's the takeaway here? If you find yourself in a situation where you can't pay your Grabpay bill immediately, the best course of action is always to communicate with Grab. They often have solutions or payment plans available if you reach out proactively. Ignoring the problem only leads to more severe consequences, from service suspension and late fees to a damaged credit score and potential interactions with debt collectors. It's a clear case of prevention being better than cure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.